Maisie eating a lollipop. Thank you. Jill, I think she's getting your keys.
Can Daddy have those? Thank you. You're so nice. You put a piece off, you know that?
She's eating a cracker.
Oh.
You are nice. Would you like another cracker, Maze? Here's a fishy.
Nummy, nummy, nummy. Oh. Bob's all done right now.
Bob is sleeping.
Bob.
What is she doing?
No. Would you like another cracker, Mama? Here's a cracker. Thank you.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
You don't want to break it. Gotta do nice to gobble gobble. He'll be breaking it. Nice gobble gobble. Nice. Testing the limits. Would you like another cracker? You just threw them. Would you like a cracker? No, that's sticky. Are you all done? Alright, love you. Can you kiss Mama? I love you.